When I was a little girl, I felt I had so much to say, to do and see. The regulars at my coffee shop would tell me the same thing, that I have my whole life ahead of me, that the world is mine. But I'm not so sure anymore. I don't want to talk or be seen. I could just stay in my bedroom until it's the final day. Watch the clouds go by. Let the birds sing me into eternal sleep. I never found someone who understood. So I tried to create someone inside of me who did. But that wasn't stable. If anything, it made me fall even deeper into my blues. And then I'm falling and falling. Come back. And everyone's waiting and waiting. And now spring has arrived and I've been a ghost in my own home for too long. Empty cupboards and drawers. There's not a single soul inside. No one's coming to save you. But now the flowers have grown. I can pick them and plant them and all over the house. I'll feed them and clean them. I'll take good care of them. I'll take good care of myself. I'll walk to the fields in the spring and pick the flowers. I'll take good care of myself. And I'll pray. I'll pray every day that a change will come. God willing, a change will come.